Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Final Concept, and this is the RGB stick light. Yeah, I know, weird name. So for 140 Ghana cedis excluding shipping, is this any good? Well, let's find out then. I was a bit concerned with how the packaging was, being crumpled and all, but luckily the light didn't come destroyed in any way. I like the inclusion of the styrofoam cause it seems it's a bit of a necessity with this one. Inside the box is the USB Type-C cable for charging, an LED remote control, which we'll talk about later in this video, and finally a tiny single-page user manual. The light comes in a carrying bag with an adjustable strap for convenient storage and carrying, I guess. The light is all plastic, weighing just about 195 grams or 6.8 ounces if you are in America. The actual length of the LED is about 36.5 centimeters in length, which I feel is convenient for most things. But if you consider the full length is about 49.5 centimeters, that is if you include the 13 centimeters width over here for the handling. It comes with 5 buttons up front, which we'll dive into later. On the left is the charging port, then finally the RGB light stick name on the back. Turning it on for the first time, we have a lot of light modes to go through. You would know which mode you are in with the M1 to M5 mode indicator on the top left of the display. Speaking of the display, it's quite tiny, but they managed to fit most things if not all the basic settings in each mode. They even added the battery life indicator at the top right corner. On the subject of the battery, we expect about 5 hours of working time at 5% brightness and about an hour and 30 minutes at 100% brightness. I believe this is average given the fact that it comes with a 2000 mAh battery and this long tube for the light. For charging, the USB Type-C to USB Type-A connector makes it a lot easier to charge it with a computer, a power bank or a wall outlet via an AC adapter. When charging though, you get this little yellow indicator on the screen, which I feel is cool. There are 114 pieces of inbuilt lamp bit with up to 2000 luminance of brightness. Now to be frank, not all 114 LEDs work at the same time. There are actually 38 pieces for the 3000 Kelvin, that is the warm light, 38 pieces for the 6000 Kelvin, that is the white light, and 38 pieces for the RGB. So altogether giving us the 114 pieces of LED beads. The design of the lamp also provides a 180-degree large lighting angle, which is stable and does not produce glaring. That is in person. But as you can see in this shot right here, the light is definitely spilling out on camera. The light also provides an adjustable bi-colored temperature from 3000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin with a brightness range of 0% to 100%. There are also multiple inbuilt RGB modes and lighting effects, which are ideal for some creative video shooting, portrait or studio photography. And with these different light modes, we have lightning, strobe, candle light, party light, the green for the trees, the blue for the sea, and police light. I think I can see myself using a few of these lighting effects. In case you are wondering whether you can use this as a fill light, well, actually no. It is just 20 watts, so it's not going to produce as much brightness as you may want. But here's a test for you in case you are curious. No, just in case you are curious. And with this, I had the camera set to f2.8 for the aperture, 1/50th of a second for the shutter speed, and 400 for the ISO. And here is how it looks. With the remote, it's a lot more convenient to sit at one side and control the lights at will. There's a little red indication light that allows you to know as and when you press on the button. Unfortunately, you can't use the remote to turn on the light. For that, you have to get up, move to where the light is, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds for it to turn on. So there are a lot of things to like about this. The 1/4-inch mount at the bottom allows the light to be mounted virtually anywhere, on a tripod, on a monopod, or even a light stand. But if you are someone like me who doesn't feel like mounting this anywhere, you can I think you can basically just hold this as a lightsaber. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Quick question, would you consider getting something like this which costs right around 150 Ghana cedis? And if yes, then what kind of content are you making that you feel you need one of these? Let me know in the comments below. I'm very eager to find out. And in case you are interested in buying one of these, the first link in the description below is going to send you to the direct page I bought this from. Yes, it is an affiliate link, so if you want to support me, using that link for your purchases is one of the ways to do that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels which I have them linked below. And as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Fino Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.